It's the bounce for me. Hey YouTube, it's your girl lasheavibez coming into you with another video. In this video I'm going to share with you, as you can see, I have my hair in a silk press. I decided probably a little bit before Christmas that I wanted to get the hair silk press just so I can do a length check to see, you know, how long the hair actually is, and also to get a trim. This is my second time visiting this particular stylist. Her name is Shantae. I will leave her link below. When I say she's excellent, not only is she a great stylist, but she also shares with you the way to have your hair healthy. She also provided me with a sleep cap and gave detailed information on what did I need to get to just treat the hair and keep the hair, because again, I'm not used to wearing the hair straight or pressed or anything like that. So really don't put a lot of heat. If you follow the channel, you'll know that I do not put any form of heat in the hair unless it is a professional is styling the hair. Did use this cheese silk infusion, so I did go ahead and grab that, but that's all she advised me to use. I will be wrapping the hair at night, and she also told me that I can use my flexi rods, which I do have. So we'll see how long this lasts, but I hope you enjoy the video. Again, if you're located in the state of Georgia, she's actually in Lithia Springs, so I will leave her links below. Great professional, very, very, very intelligent. About her most is she cares for the health of the hair. She did style my hair. First time I went to her, she styled my hair for a birthday. She styled my hair for my birthday. I will leave a few clips of that, but we're going to go ahead and get into the process. But I'm loving it this far. And check this out. It is just so healthy, very soft, very bouncy, and I'm loving it.
The process, we're going to get your hair really, are you ready? Really, really, really clean. And then we're going to section your hair off and blow dry it. And then we're going to press it out. I'm going to use a heat protectant. And then we're going to, yeah, go from there, style it.
Okay, I'm excited.
You're welcome. You can do like curls, you can wear it straight, you can wear a bump under. It's all your choice.
Okay, so I can actually curl my hair, because I was going to wrap it up at night, the old school wrap.
You can wrap, you can curl. I recommend curling it when you leave the salon. That way when it falls, you can still wrap it and it falls. Like
oh, got it. Okay, yep. Okay. Oh, I'm excited.
Final rinse is cool, because what we want to do is close the hair cuticles and lock in the moisture in your hair. Ready? It will section your hair off into 6 sections because you have thicker hair. So if you had a thinner hair, I would only do 4. And now I'm going to begin blow drying.
Okay.
And I use a heat protectant, the cheese silk infusion, right here. And that's the only thing I'm going to use the whole time through your silk press.
Blow dry is that?
FHI platform.
Okay.
That's their newer one. No handle, because this is the handle.
That smells so good.
Yes. Okay. You love her hair?
So I don't know about over exaggerating, because
I gotta go back and look. It's on her story.
Well, you know they only last for 24 hours. But
This is the perfect time to get a silk press. The fact that it is cool outside.
my hair looks so black. I got them grays in there though.
But you can barely see them, and it's not a lot, so.
I ain't tripping. It's a beautiful thing to me. I don't mind grays. You
Not
know?
a lot at all.
It shows wisdom, it shows life. I ain't tripping.
Go to the beauty supply store and ask them specifically for the smaller ones that like this tiny.
Yeah, because I just need a small one. Cause
$2.99.
are you serious?
I'm not lying. But the bigger ones are like $25.
And that's the heat protector.
Yep. She's so confusing. I've been using this for like 10 years now. And I will not switch it up. I tried other brands, but no. And you can feel and see how it's all soft. It feels soft.
Oh yeah, super soft. Look at my hair. So how long should this last?
You can go 3 weeks since it's cold outside.
Okay.
But you're gonna have to take care of it. Like no heat. Not no heat, but no water, no moisture.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you a processing cup so when you take a shower,
Okay.
you can cover up your hair.
Okay, good, thanks. Because I know it will revert back.
Yes, it will. I get the kitchen. Always.
And he's the same age as
Fun fact, when I first started doing hair, like on my own, the kitchen would go untouched because
You was scared.
I was scared to get close to people's skin, ears, and everything.
Yeah, you don't want to burn them.
That was from my own trauma though.
Oh yeah, from the
Other people.
stove.
Yes.
Girl, I think that's...
And that's why I use the smaller flat iron to get closer. So the whole idea of the price is because the comb is guiding the flat iron through the hair, making it straighter, of course.
So you said this should last about 3 weeks? As long as there's no moisture and no water?
Yep, no contributing factors.
All I need to do is put a little silk fusion when I notice it getting dry. I'll do my flexi rods when I want to add any form of curl. Wrap it at night.
If you do curls, you can also pin curl,
Okay.
like the old days. Basically, the way that your hair grows out of the hair grows from the hair follicle, and the way it flows. If it were curling or didn't flow in the same direction, then it would be unhealthy. Your scalp would be unhealthy.
Wow, so that's how to tell.
Yep. See how everything flows in the same direction?
Yeah,
If it did like some little curls or
got it.
looked like some hair was missing, definitely
Wow,
unhealthy.
interesting. Hope you enjoyed the video. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.